Want to watch the best shows and movies on your big screen? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to download the Hulu app on your Samsung Smart TV, quick and easy. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to Wi-Fi. A stable connection is key to running the app smoothly. Step 2. Open Smart Hub. Press the home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub. Step 3. Go to Apps. Use the navigation arrows on your remote to highlight the app's icon, then press Enter. Step 4. Search for Hulu. Select the search icon, the magnifying glass, in the top right corner, then type Hulu using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Install the app. Choose Hulu from the search results and press Install. The app will download and install automatically. Step 6. Sign in and start watching. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Hulu account or tap Sign Up if you're a new user. Important note: Hulu is free to download but requires a paid subscription starting at $7.99 month. These steps apply to Samsung Smart TVs from 2016 and newer running Tizen OS. And that's it! You're all set to enjoy Hulu right from your TV. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.